by called My Bonnie, and his thing was that he would always order records in if he didn't have them. And they smoked on stage and talked and chatted up girls and on stage, but he just stood there transfixed because there was something about them that absolutely, he got it. He got that this was a bit of magic on stage, and he went up to them afterwards and talked to them and said that he would like to manage them. He'd never managed anyone, and he didn't really know what it all meant, but he just said, I'd like to help you. I'd like to help you because I think you're really talented. And Paul McCartney went back to his father and said, this bloke called Brian Epstein wants to manage us, and his parents own the NEMS shop in Liverpool, and Jim McCartney said, look, I got a piano from NEMS once, and they're a very nice family, the piano's been very good, so I think it would be okay if you managed to.